Welcome to Module 4, Lesson 5. You're going to turn to page 108. In this lesson, our I can statement reads, I can describe the values of digits in numbers to 1,000. Before we were working to the hundreds place. Now we're going to expand that to the thousands place. And let's look at the build understanding. It tells us the place of a digit in a number tells us its value. Find the place and the value of the digits in the number 610. Well, that might sound a little confusing. I want you to think about when we have a place value chart. Ones, tens, hundreds. What it's saying is the place the digits in tells us its value, right? This 2 and 123 isn't equal to 2. It's equal to 20 because it's equal to 2 tens. So let's look at that now using this problem. Circle the place the digit 6 is in. In 612, is it in the ones place, the tens place, or the hundreds place? The digit 6, you should have circled, is in the hundreds place. So what is the meaning of the value of the digit 6, right? We say value here. What is it equal to? It's not just 6. It's 6 hundreds, which is equal to 600. Now go ahead and circle the place the digit 1 is in. You should have circled the digit 1 is in the tens place. So the value of that digit is 110 or 10. Finally, go ahead and circle the place the digit 2 is in. You should have circled that 2 was in the ones place. So it's equal to 2 ones, or simply 2. Over here, it's showing us our thousands. We're going to need this in the next section. 1,000 is equal to 10 hundreds. You might have seen a thousands cube before. If we put our 10 hundred flats together, they make a thousands cube. So now let's look at that chart below. Each of these has an underlined digit. We need to circle the value of that digit. Go ahead and circle the value of the digit 5 in 456. You should have circled it was equal to 5 tens because it's in the tens place. Now go ahead and circle the value of the digit 4 in 234. You should have circled 4. Its value is equal to 4 or 4 ones. Now finally, circle the value of the digit 1 in the number 1,000. You should have found it was equal to 1,000. Let's look at the next problem. Sarah sees this number on a house. Find the place and value of the digit 5 in the number 548. Letter A asks us, what is the value of the digit 5 in the number 548? We're going to go through steps B through D to write it out. Go ahead and underline the digit first. Make sure you underlined the 5. What place is the digit in? Is it in the hundreds place, the tens place, or the ones place? You should have circled the digit 5 is in the hundreds place. So let's go ahead and write the value now. It's equal to 5 hundredths or 500. Now let's look at check understanding. For the first problem, you're going to write the 3-digit number that answers Rosa's riddle. My hundreds digit and ones digit are the same. The value of my tens digit is 40, and the value of my ones digit is 8. Then you're going to complete number 2. Just like we did on the page before, you'll look at the underlined digit and circle its value. Go ahead and complete the check understanding now. For number 1, if you need any help, I would create a place value chart. Go ahead and pause the video if you need any more time. For number 1, I'm going to use the place value chart to help me. I know the value of my ones digit is 8. So I'm going to go ahead and place that in my ones place. I also know that my hundreds digit and ones digit are the same. The value of my tens digit is 40. I know 40 is equal to 4 tens. So your answer should have been 848. For number 2, you should have found the digit 3 and 423 is equal to 3 ones. The digit 1 and 613 is equal to 10. The digit 7 and 742 is 7 hundredths. And the digit 3 and 235 is 30.